If you've lost a lot of weight but have shirts or sweaters that no longer fit, you can shrink many of them by washing them in super hot water and then drying at very high temps. Don't give any personal information to a bank that calls you to inform you that your card, account, etc. has been compromised. It is almost certainly a phishing scam. Wrap fragrant foods like onions or cheese separately before fridge storage so the odors don't transfer to other items. If you don't know if an egg is boiled or not, spin it on a flat surface. If it's boiled, it'll spin like a top; if not, it'll just wobble a bit and stop. Create separate email addresses you give to things like banks or your top social platforms so you can more easily detect spoofing. Live by your calendar. If there's something important that you need to do, make it official and put it in there. Even further, color code your calendar events. It is a good practice to at least look at your route before you get on the road, even though you know how to get to work, school, somewhere you have to be at.